So I've had a few requests to see the pumpkins my wife was working on out there in the shop. You know, they were the wind turbines. So here are the finished product. She clearly has an eye for arranging this stuff because not something I could do. Welcome to Smokey CNC Woodworks. I'm Brian, and today we're going to do something just a little bit different. I've got some more people over here today from another channel, from Rustic Woodworks and family. And here is Brandon and Leighton. Brandon makes American flags. I'm going to let him tell you a little bit about his channel and how to find him on his website.
Hey guys, this is Brandon with Rustic Woodwork. Tonight we came over to Smokey CNC Woodworks. He's going to engrave our name of our channel. Our channel is Rustic Woodwork, but we're actually going to change it up to Rustic Woodwork and Family. Like I say, I've got 4 children and a wife, so there's a lot of crazy things that goes on around the house. So we're just going to try to integrate that with our channel along with our dogs. We got 2 dogs. We got a half German Shepherd and half Lab and a Belgian Malinois. Both of them are K9 police dogs. So the Malinois is the dog that we are training. She's still a pup, but she's going to be my new partner here soon. So I hope you enjoy.
So what Brandon's not telling you is he is a full-time deputy, and so he does run a drug dog. And you can see the American flags he makes. These things are awesome. I mean, they're flying off the shelf. So what we're going to try to do today is cut that into that sign, put it right down low, real big and bold, and that way he can put it up behind him and he can use it on his channel. So let's go. So guys, that was it. You can see what we did to it. We put Rustic Woodworks and Family on there. Came out really good. We had a couple of spots where you saw the aura mask lift up and it bled just a little bit. I'm going to leave it to my good buddy Brandon here to clean this up because he works with paint guns just like I do. And so he'll be able to touch it up, do some sanding, and get this cleaned up to his specification. Okay, so guys, right here at the very end, I'm going to leave right up here in this corner, I'm going to leave a link to his website, to his YouTube, and I'm going to leave his website, and I'll put it in the description box down below. While I'm talking about that description box down below, when I send you guys down there to look at tools or anything I've used, that is an affiliate link, meaning that if you go click on that, you go to Amazon or wherever it sends you to, and you purchase a tool, I do get kickback off of that. Now, I'm going to be honest, initially this was not my intent. I was just putting all the parts to the CNC machine, so if you wanted to go build a CNC machine, you would be able to find them easily and it wouldn't be a problem. So Amazon's contacted me and tell me I'm supposed to tell you at some point that I may be making money off you buying things from the description blocks below, so this is me telling you. So guys, that's going to be about it for today. Run over and check out Brandon and Layton, and we'll see y'all next time.